Are you struggling with messy cable setups, unsecured network devices, or poor rack management in your data center or server room? Meet the Cisco RACK-KIT-T1, the ideal rack mount solution designed specifically for Cisco T1, E1 routers and network modules. Whether you're using a Cisco 1800, 2800, or 3800 series ISR, this rack kit provides a reliable and clean mounting solution tailored to your infrastructure needs. Built to fit standard 19-inch server racks, it ensures your devices are securely mounted and remain stable, even in high-traffic environments or mission-critical setups. Rack organization is often overlooked, yet it's crucial for maintaining uptime, simplifying maintenance, and maximizing airflow. With the RACK-KIT-T1, you're not just mounting hardware, you're upgrading your entire network experience. Say goodbye to unstructured installations and tangled cables. And hello to professional-grade neatness and improved troubleshooting efficiency. The refurbished nature of this kit means you're getting all the trusted Cisco quality at a fraction of the cost, making it perfect for small businesses, budget-conscious enterprises, or IT professionals looking to expand without compromise. Each component of this mount kit has been carefully inspected and restored to meet Cisco's strict quality standards, ensuring reliable, long-term performance. Installation is straightforward, even for those new to rack mounting, and it frees up valuable horizontal space, letting you build up, not out, and maintain clean airflow around each unit. This kit not only supports the weight and shape of Cisco ST1E1 modules, but also helps streamline the process of adding or replacing hardware in your racks without disrupting your network. Whether you're consolidating legacy systems, adding to your infrastructure, or replacing outdated gear, the Cisco RACK-KIT-T1 simplifies the physical side of networking and keeps everything neat. It's an essential tool for anyone managing Cisco hardware in tight or growing server environments. And when every second counts, like during equipment failure, hot swaps, or network expansion, the ability to access and manage your gear quickly can make all the difference. Choosing the RACK-KIT-T1 also means peace of mind, knowing your high-value equipment is firmly secured, not sliding around a shelf or stacked on top of other devices. And with Cisco's trusted reputation, this kit is engineered for durability, resilience, and long-term compatibility. Don't cut corners on the foundation of your network. Proper mounting is critical for stability, longevity, and efficient cable management. Now available on shop.com, this refurbished rack kit comes at an unbeatable price, allowing you to save on costs while still benefiting from enterprise-grade performance. Order now and take one more step toward a cleaner, more organized, and more reliable network setup. Whether you're a network technician, system integrator, or small business owner, the Cisco RACK-KIT-T1 is a smart addition to your toolkit because good networks start with good foundations. Visit shop.com and search for RACK-KIT-T1 to buy now and make the right move for your network today.